Welcome to Arcadia Dyslexia Africa, the only bilingual channel for the fight against dyslexia in Africa. What is Arcadia Dyslexia Africa, ADA? Arcadia Dyslexia Africa is the first bilingual French-English non-profitable organization registered in Togo in 2013 aiming at raising awareness about specific learning difficulties, SPLDs, in general, particularly with dyslexia. Furthermore, it offers wide range of services, including literacy and numeracy program to adults, dyslexia assessment, support and training on specific learning difficulties. ADA is the hope for the millions of people with dyslexia on the continent because Africa is lagging behind in the research of the condition. Consequently, she has over 100 years delay in the fight against dyslexia compared to the progress made in most developed countries. Until now, dyslexia in Africa means unrecognized condition, profound lack of awareness, reasons for prejudice, high rate of school dropouts, isolation and discrimination, inadequate education provision, a lack of professional expertise, millions of undiagnosed children and adults, a lack of support and teaching resources, a waste of thousands of potential geniuses. Our mission: create awareness of dyslexia in Africa, challenge prejudice against dyslexia, provide dyslexia training to educators, train dyslexia specialists, support and encourage dyslexia individuals, provide professional dyslexia assessments and support. From 2013, we have started our dyslexia awareness work in Ghana and Togo. It is ongoing. We have worked with diverse education institutions and the media. Amazing Love Secondary School, Liberty Primary School, Hope and Mankind Foundation, Continental Primary School, École Evolution, École Flores, École Beaver, Elephantos, Amico, Mandela, Jourdain, Volonté, LaRusso, Stendhal, Sages, College Protestant, College Couvray, University of Lomori, Clinic Casa Esperanza, Radio Lomori, Canal FM, Nana FM, Radio Efata, TVT, and El Bala. Due to unfortunate circumstances, we were obliged to close our center. However, we are delighted to resume our activities with improved and additional services. We are therefore calling on all of you to support and assist ADA in their work. In 2025, it has been over 100 years that the Western world has engaged the fight against dyslexia. Many famous Western personalities are dyslexic. In Africa, the fight has practically not started. Dyslexia is misconceived and dyslexic individuals are marginalized. 5 good reasons for our existence. 1. We understand dyslexia better. ADA is created by Delali Idrisu, a British educator originally from Togo, West Africa. She is dyslexic herself and a dyslexia specialist. Hence, she has a greater insight in fighting dyslexia and she is passionate in giving hope to individuals with the condition. Trained by one of the British pioneers in the fight against dyslexia, Bev Hornsby, Delali's wishes to replicate the successful work accomplished by Bev regarding dyslexia in the whole of Africa. 2. Create dyslexia awareness in all African countries. ADA, firstly, intend to help the acceptance and the improved education about dyslexia in its targeted regions and in the future expand to rest of the continent. Dyslexia and learning difficulties are still misconceived and stigmatized in Africa. 3. Train exceptional dyslexia professionals. There is an urgent need for dyslexia specialists in Africa. Therefore, we have created a unique program combining dyslexia specialism and expertise in cognitive behavioral therapy, allowing the graduates of our program to be able to deal with the psychological issues dyslexic individuals usually experience. Having well-trained dyslexia specialists will not only allow the effective support of dyslexic individuals, but also will enable Africa to take part in worldwide dyslexia matters. 4. Develop dyslexia resources specific to Africa. There is no dyslexia diagnostic and screening tools focusing on the African context in the targeted regions up to date. ADA has developed the Arcadia Dyslexia screening that is specific to Africans. Also, the Arcadia Dyslexia Correction Program is a comprehensive multisensory program which concentrates as well on dyslexic individuals' personal development. 5. Develop statistical data about dyslexia. There is a total absence of statistical data about dyslexia in Africa. We are working on it.